All right, shed build day 3. It's not the weekend, but we're gonna get a little bit done today. I didn't get as far as I had wanted to on Saturday. Had to run a few errands, help some folks out. I made a few mistakes, which cost me some time and some labor, but got it right. I picked up the 3/4 inch treated plywood. I've got that, so hoping to get these few remaining ones in place and then start laying the plywood down. I don't know. God bless, guys. Thanks for watching.